been 36 months since his last public town hall, according to his website. So I appreciate you dragging him out of the shadows and letting folks ask questions.
Well, hundreds of protesters lined up outside the Riverside Hotel in Garden City last week, where Senator Mike Crapo spoke at a forum hosted by the Boise Metro Chamber. You had to be registered to get in, and you also had to pay to attend, and it was not open to the public per se. Protest organizers on Facebook claim Senator Crapo hasn't made himself available to take questions or talk with his constituents in person for years, and they want to be heard by their elected officials about legislative overreach impacting human rights like health care and immigration. Today, though, he took questions in a virtual town hall, if you can call it that, from people who called in, something that had been planned for about 2 months. You couldn't see him, but you could certainly hear him over the phone or Facebook Live. Idahoans on the call were mostly concerned about Medicaid, Medicare, and Social Security cuts on a federal level, wanting to know where Crapo stands on those issues.
I back exactly what President Trump has said, and that is that he doesn't support, and I don't support, any cuts to benefits in Medicare or Medicaid or Social Security, for that matter. Now, having said that, I know there are some savings that can be found from what are considered to be excessive expenditures that do not impact benefits. And there are some who are saying that in the categories of waste, fraud, and abuse, there may be some savings that can be achieved. But if that's the case, those savings should be utilized to help Medicare or Medicaid beneficiaries. So I'll just tell you, I don't think there is support in Congress to cut the benefits.
The town hall, virtual town hall, lasted about 50 minutes, and then he couldn't get to every question, of course. There were still more than 40 people that called in that did not get any questions answered. Hundreds commenting on Facebook Live as well. At the end of the town hall, Crapo encouraged anyone who still had a question just to reach out to his office directly.